All right, I have a Zevo flying insect trap, and I'm going to unbox this and show you how to use this. Now, this Zevo flying insect trap attracts insects with a light. No chemicals or insecticides are used with this product. Now, this is the starter kit, which comes with one device and one refill cartridge inside. And keep out of reach of children, so it says. Now, this Zevo flying insect trap is good for houseflies, fruit flies, gnats. And it continuously attracts and eliminates these insects, all of these right here, fruit flies, houseflies, and gnats. Now, how to use this, you just simply plug it in, and we're going to get to that. On the back, it shows how it operates right here. Let me come in a little bit closer so you can see this. All right, let me get in a little closer so you can see this. All right. Now, what do you have to do with this? You have to remove refill from trap, peel off the backing in a continuous motion where it says pull here, and discard. Now, replace refill into trap by sliding into position. Plug the trap into an indoor electrical outlet. For best performance, keep it plugged in. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And also, this thing can rotate 90 degrees for your convenience. All you have to do is to rotate the plug, hold the front of the unit upright in one hand and grasp both metal plug blades in the other hand and rotate the blades about the center of the plug to which the blades are mounted. And for best results, place traps in outlets that are easily accessed by flies, flying insects, and close to where you commonly see them. If not enough insects are captured, try changing location. The blue light indicates it's working. Replace refill cartridge when it is full of insects. Check it every 15 days or as needed. This package contains one cartridge. Refill cartridges are sold separately, like I talked about earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'm going to go ahead and open this so we can get a look at what's going on in here. So inside are the important safety instructions and tips. Very important that you read this and understand this before using this product. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and place this to the side. And then inside of the Zevo trap, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And here is the Zevo trap right here. So it said pull this out. And then what I'm going to do here is it says pull here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull here. And this is pulling this off. And now there is an adhesive side. That's adhesive right there. Very sticky. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in place right there. And so how this works is you can actually rotate it. So if you have it up like this, you can rotate it like that. Just like that. Or you can rotate it there. So you're having the plug like that. You can rotate it so it's horizontal, or you can keep it vertical like that. And then once you have it like into the setting that you want, you just go ahead and plug it in to the plug, and the light will come on. And so like at night, when there's light, bugs are attracted to it. They'll fly in and willfully stick to the sticky side of the trap, therefore eliminating your insect problem. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.